So this is the setup for today, and basically we have here the power supply, the digital multimeter, we have some banana cables for connection, we have here a ruler, the LabQuest and the cable for the interface with the computer. We have here the magnetic field sensor, and this is a solenoid of 400 turns, and basically we can see that this is the inner diameter, and this one up to this line that we see here, it is the bigger diameter. We have the Excel LoggerPro application and the lab manual. So now let's connect the LabQuest to the computer. So we would have also the magnetic sensor. Let's connect the magnetic sensor to LabQuest. Then we have the solenoid itself. Let's connect it. This one to the power supply. So basically we have the initial setup. So let's start the reading itself. So the first thing that you need to do is to change here the range for this magnetic field, or the sensitivity, to 6.4 millitesla, and basically accept use sensor setting. Then after that we are going to place the solenoid, the middle of the solenoid itself, on the 50 centimeter. So the middle on the 50 centimeter. Okay. So it's almost on this edge on the 48 centimeter. So we have it here. Let's put the wire back. Then from here we need to go to the software and change the resolution itself. Let's make this one 10 samples per second, and let's make this one a long duration, let's say 60 seconds. So this would be our resolution. Then we need to make the magnetic field on this one the tire button, basically to reset the magnetic field. So we are going to basically go to experiment, we go to 0, and right now the magnetic sensor is going to be 0, as you can see here, it becomes 0 millitesla. Okay? So from here, let's start to supply the solenoid with 300 milliampere. So we open, we adjust the button until it becomes 0.3 ampere or 300 milliampere. Then from now we can start our measurements. Our measurements is basically we are going to measure the magnetic field at the center. We have here an opening that we can put our hands, as you can see. Then we start to have 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, and Every measurement that we take, we press the D data mark to have kind of, okay, this is the location of this centimeter and this and so on, okay, until we go up to 20. But in the middle, if the magnetic field that we are measuring reduced or became less than 0.01 millitesla, we need to change the resolution to 0.3 millitesla. So let's start.